I was gonna do this big old intro about how great Blender is and what you can use it for, but you probably know all that stuff because you clicked on this video. And so we're just gonna get into downloading Blender because that's what it's all about, man. So go to whatever fucking browser you want to do and just type in blender.org, okay? I uninstalled Blender just for this video. So they make it super fucking easy. Blender 3.5 just came out. So you just click on this blue little download button. It's got this download Blender, but check this out, okay? It's Windows. If you got a Mac, no fucking problem. They got all this other shit. I don't know what you have though, so I have Windows. I'm gonna download the Windows version, okay? And it gives you this nice, like they even compliment you. But look at this. Look at the background picture. Look at what you can make. This is made in Blender. It's fucking cute as shit. So anyways, 277 megabytes downloading. Fuck off. We're gonna double click on whatever popped up in your thing, right? It's gonna be a little different maybe for you, maybe not. I don't know. So then you're gonna click next, accept it. You could read it. I don't. Fuck that shit. Hit next. Next. Install. I trust Blender. You should trust Blender too because Blender's pretty cool, man. Great. It's all done. So we're just going to click finish. So we're going to look for, okay, so Blender 3.5 should have showed up somewhere on your desktop. If it didn't, I don't know, man, just like type in your search and look for Blender. For me, it's in my recents. You can just type in Blender. Look at that. App. We're going to click on it. Going to open it up. And right away, the first thing I do is I right click on it and I pin it to my taskbar because I like my Blender. So now you're not going to see any recent files. Okay. That's okay. But now we made it. We downloaded Blender, and then I'm gonna see you in the next video, and we're gonna talk about what's going on. So, see you there.